मंजिलें मेरे करीब है, इसका मुझे एहसास है। गुमा नहीं मुझे इरादों पर अपने, ये मेरी सोच और हौसलों का विश्वास है। Namaskar to one and all present here. Today, we all are here to celebrate 17th Raising Day of our school.
Raising means lifting something up or elevating to a higher level. To groom the future leaders, 17 years back, Subodh Public School Airport Jaipur was founded on April 14, 2004.
Celebrating the sagas of excellence and glory, I request Principal Ma'am to commence the program by hosting the school flag. Thank you, ma'am.
A journey of 1,000 miles began with a single step, and the remarkable journey of Subodh Public School began in 2004. Since then, there was no looking back. The school set challenging objectives and explored new horizons. It scaled new heights as it unveiled new vistas. National School Sanitation Award, Life Skills Empowerment Award, British Council School Award, and Jaipur Sahodaya are few of its milestones of this journey. The year 2020 has been an year of transformation as learning shifted from physical classroom to virtual platform. The school left no stone unturned to equip the students with well-chiseled curriculum and technology through online classes. The school is providing an excellent platform to kindle the spirit of inquiry in students on virtual platform as they are working collectively to participate in an array of activities. The stimulating activities like Vocal for Local inspired students' interest in arts, science and education. The school has conducted physical as well as virtual parent-teacher counseling also and witnessed showers of appreciation and as well as acknowledgement from parents as they praised efforts made by students and teachers providing the best learning environment or virtual platform.
है पंछियों के जैसे मेरे पंख नहीं तो क्या, है बुलंद इरादा मेरे भीतर जो छिपा बैठा, है मुझ में हिम्मत, है हौसला मुझ में, अपने सपनों को पंख लगाकर मैं भी हूँ उड़ सकती। सुबोध से मिले अपने पंखों की उड़ान का संगीत और नृत्य से आगाज करने आ रहे हैं।
जो उड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है। अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है। भले हालात हो कैसे भी बस ये सोच ले तू, यही है जिद यही है रार, बस अब जीतना है। लिखूंगा खुद नई तकदीर अपने हाथ से मैं, रगों में खून के संग इस जुनून को घोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख। लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती।
On this glorious day, to express a heartwarming gratitude for the school, students are performing a song.
down, and oh, my soul so weary. When troubles come and my heart burdened be,
then I am still, I'm waiting in the silence
until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger.
Each restless heart beats so imperfectly. But when you come, and I am filled with wonder.
Sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be.
खुद भी नाचेंगे, तुम्हें भी नचाएंगे, बड़ी धूमधाम से तुम्हारा बर्थडे बनाएंगे। हैप्पी बर्थडे सुबोध।
दबी दबी सी हंसी होठों पे फंसी है, गुदगुदी कर रही हवा। हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। करने दे ख्वाबों को बदमाशियां, चलने दे नजरों की मनमानियां, ढूंढे चलो कुछ ठिकाने नए, होने दे पगली पगली सी नादानियां। होश में रहना है क्यों, रहने से होगा क्या, बेहोशियों में है मजा। बचकानी हरकतें जो होती है होने दे, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। Na 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 na, na 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 na, yeah, na na na, oh, na na na, na na na, yeah, na na na, oh। मौसम हमने भी की है कुछ कोशिशें, होने लगी देखो ये बारिशें। सर पे चढ़ा है ये कैसा असर, दौड़े रफ्तार में दिल की सब धड़कने। धुन कोई चल रही है कानों में धीमे से, रोशन है ज्यादा ये सुबह। हलचल जो हो रही है सीने में होने दे, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू समन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू समन है।
My name is Lukanshu and I am from Subodh Public School. I like my school as it is a temple of learning and many other activities. The teachers from our school are the best educators that they clear our concepts and solve our doubts. They also motivate and inspire us for creating our interest in learning. They give us many enrichment and fun activities that creates our interest in studies.
I feel very proud to say that I love my school very much, because my school taught me moral values that I have to become a better human being.
I love my school because of my caring and understanding teachers who always motivates me.
I love my school because of kindness and supporting teachers.
Now, I request Madam Principal to bless all of us with her kind words.
On this pleasant day, certain things are changing. Now is the kind of, as we consider war time, a war against time, a war against disease, a war against hope, a war against all kind of depressive thoughts, a war against how life to sustain and how humanity will ultimately win. We also have our motto that says grooming the future leaders. It is quite evident, and I often think about it, that when we are talking about grooming the future leaders, that means we are not talking just about any political leader. In every regard, each one of us is capable of becoming a leader. When we give hope to children, we are a leader. When we are positive, we are a leader. When we are happy beyond our boundaries, we are a leader. When we try to explore our own potential, we are a leader. When you try to create, we are a leader. In umpteen number of ways, we can be a leader. The choice is again ours. This is tough time. It's not that only a few people are facing this. The entire world is facing. This is the testing time. Although it is very evident that Darwin had said the survival of the fittest, nature has a simple rule, the survival of the fittest. Now, this applies not only in living or being alive, it also applies in many folds. The journey of 17 years has taken us every time with greater heights and exceptional success we could get. Why? Because we all understood the vision, and we always work like a team. Yesterday only I was reading one post, and in that post it was stating that when we act, you would be happy to understand this fact that although we say good ideas come when we are at peace or something like that, whereas in the First World War, during the Second World War, maximum number of inventions happened. I hope this Third World War, which is going against Corona, you all must be understanding that how the doctors, scientists are striving to fight against, and how some vaccination which used to happen in years, in a decade's time, sometimes more than a decade, how in a year's time span it has been invented by the scientists. And I'm sure most of us must have got vaccinated as well. If not, you must. Each one of us must. And thanks to the scientists, let us honor to them at the same time while we are teaching to our students. Are we teaching them the way that they will become scientists, that they will become administrators, that they will become better human beings, that they will be mentally, emotionally independent, strong? Are we taking care of these finer aspects while we are teaching to them or not? Let us look into that aspect also. Because our parents of our students, they have really always cooperated, appreciated also each effort that we made. Like last year, I remember we had started yoga classes for the parents. How enthusiastically they participated, how they enjoyed, and how happy they were, and how they were demanding that such kind of sessions the school must carry on. Of course, unfortunately, we could not carry on much of it because of the pandemic, but had it been there, and moreover it was evident that the parents have always appreciated our efforts and always have cooperated. So anything that is done for the benefit of the society, anything that is done for the good of the society is always appreciated. The small effort of ours have always been appreciated in abundance by parents, for which I am really thankful to each parent with the core of my heart. And of course, I wish every parent great life, success in life, a healthy and happy life, and to all the dear staff members, to all of you, to all your family members, I wish good luck and take care of yourselves, your families as well. I congratulate once again on successful completion of 17 years of this school as Subodh Public School Airport. Let us always keep the flag as high as we can, and I have trust in each one of you that each one of you is going to still keep working like a strong team member. Each one of you is a team rather, I believe. Each one of you is full of so much of potential. Each one of you is full of so many capabilities that each one of you can perform wonders. In order to perform wonders, you don't have to do anything extraordinary. Small steps every day with dedication become a good achievement. So let us celebrate these achievements, but at the same time, let us look into this aspect also, that whatever we are doing, we are not doing for others, we are doing for our own survival. Let's look into that as well. And let us thank ourselves, let us thank God Almighty for showing a beautiful day like this, being a part of such an institution which really is taking care of all of us so much. The Subodh is an institution which is still treating each one of us more than like a family member, and they are still going to understand whatever kind of activities that we are going to be a part of. That means naturally how we carry forward the responsibility of the school. That again will all depend on us. Thank you so much all of you once again, and congratulations once again for this beautiful day and giving me also an opportunity to be here, to be a part of this celebration. Although without children, the celebration is incomplete. We are missing our children, of course, and how they used to prepare, how the function used to be so colorful. We had never imagined that there will be some day like this when the children would not be there. So the function is incomplete without their presence, yet wishing all good luck to all children, and God bless them, God bless all of us. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for brightening the day with your views. You have always encouraged all the students to inculcate values and life skills in everyday life as true achievers of the 21st century. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to you for your partnership in working together relentlessly throughout the years to nurture the young minds and motivate the students.